Hello everybody, and in today's video I will guide you how to use headset mic on Nintendo Switch. To use it, just follow these steps here. Plug in the headset, connect your wired headset directly into the headphone jack located on the top of the Nintendo Switch console in handheld mode, or on the bottom of the Joy-Con grip when docked. Audio output. The Nintendo Switch should automatically detect the headset and switch the audio output to your headphones. You can verify this by checking the volume controls in the quick access menu, access by pressing the home button and then L shoulder button. Microphone activation, game specific. Voice chat functionality depends on the specific game you're playing. Some games enable voice chat automatically upon headset detection, while others might require you to activate it within the game settings menu. Consult the game's manual or in-game instructions for microphone setup details. Using a wireless headset via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth audio. The Nintendo Switch recently introduced Bluetooth connectivity for audio devices. Go to System Settings, then Bluetooth Audio, and select Add Device. Turn on your wireless headset pairing mode and select it from the list on the Switch. Microphone access. Similar to wired headsets, microphone functionality depends on the game. The game may enable it automatically or require activation within the settings menu. Additional notes, compatibility. Ensure your wired headset uses a standard 3.5mm jack compatibility with Nintendo Switch. For wireless headset, confirm Bluetooth audio support on your Switch model, recent models only, and compatibility with the headset itself. In-game settings, always refer to the specific game settings or instructions for details information on enabling voice chat and microphone functionality. Some games may have a dedicated microphone volume controls within their settings. Discord mobile app alternative. For voice chat functionality outside of games, consider using Nintendo Switch online mobile app and connect to a voice chat through Discord on your smartphone. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.